Hello folks, here's Crafty Carol ready to show you another little trick. And today I want to talk about this gorgeous magnetic board kit. Now, Stampin' Up kits are brilliant. They come in lovely boxes, nice solid boxes, just show you that, because I've opened this obviously already. And all you need is in the kit. So this is the gorgeous Celebrate Today magnetic board kit. Slightly more expensive than some of the kits. This one is £24, but it's got so much in it. So you can see the board made up here as on the instructions, and the instructions come with everything you need to be able to make up the project as they suggest. And on the back it shows you what's in the kit. It comes all wrapped in a nice plastic bag. You've got the magnetic board itself, 6 magnetic clips, 2 pockets, talk about those in a minute, lots and lots of stickers, 2 sheets of double-sided DSP which fit exactly. It's 12 by 12, so you can use any DSP that you might have, a whole range of cards, and some tear and tape as well, which is lovely. So this has all the instructions in it as to how you might want to make things up. It's obviously up to you what you do. So this is one of the sheets of paper. The other one I've already put in my board. So there's black or grey. This is the other one. Let's just move these and then you can see. So this is the other one here, which is the one I decided to use. On the back of this one, we've got half and half in 2 shades of green. On the back of this one, we've got pink. So I decided I wanted a fairly neutral background, so I went for the lighter one there. Point is, I can swap it anytime I want because it's all fixed at the back, so I can just take it out and swap it when I want. So that already gives me a spare sheet of 12 by 12 to do another project with. How nice is that? Then these are the pockets, and they come flat packed, already creased, and you just fold, stick some tape on and make them up. How simple are they? Unbelievably simple. And they will hold the cards. These are the cards, and I'll show you all the cards in a minute. But I want to give you a little tip that I would recommend before you make up each of these pockets. And that is to get a pencil and draw around the outline. So this is how it comes flat. Hopefully you can see this okay. It has naturally a scalloped border, and I've drawn around it and then very carefully marked where the fold lines will be, so that this now is my template and I can make any other pockets I want. So if I decide to change my design, I might go for a different colour background. I might want floral pockets. I can use DSP that I've got. And I know the size of DSP because I've measured top to bottom and side to side. It's 8 by 6.5. So you couldn't make this by 6 by 6 paper. However, you could cut the whole thing out in a card, in a coloured card, because this bit here is 6 by 6. So you could actually colour it with a 6 by 6 paper as well, and just have a different coloured card to do the tabs at the side and for the scallop at the back. So that's my little tip for doing the pockets, which I think is just sensible, because then I can make whatever decorations I want on my board. So my other tip is there are ridiculous numbers, here they are, ridiculous numbers of these gorgeous cards, which is lovely. And they're all sorts of cards. They've got cards that you could write to-do lists on. You've got this type here. They're all double-sided, so you've got choices of which side you want to use. Just want to use it for decoration or whatever. So all sorts, and there's 2 of each sort, which is lovely. Just gorgeous ones. I love these. I haven't got time. If I stand and show you these, I'll be doing a 10-hour video, I think. But you can see all of those in the kit. So beautiful range of cards, all sorts of coloured backgrounds and things. If I do it this way, you can see an awful lot of them. If I spread them out, I'm not very good at that. Can't do cards very well. But you can see all the different designs. So there's lots of opportunity there to do all sorts of things. Obviously, if you wanted to make your own in a different colour suite, then this gives you a template to work from, and you could make this out of a card yourself if you wanted to. But I have a tip. A lot of these are lists, so you could do to-do lists or shopping lists, or notes for the craft videos I want to make or whatever. So if you want to do that, and I've done that with this one here, so this one's already numbered, and this is the card. And what I've done here is I have stuck on the top of the card I've stuck to do, and that comes from the stickers, which I'll show you in a minute. But I've also cut out a piece of acetate that is the same size as the card, and then I can clip them together with my clip and have them on my board so they don't fall off. But then I can write on top of the acetate and clean it off if I use the right sort of pen. Always choose the right sort of pen. But I can do that. I can replace the acetate really easily. So it means although I've only got 2 of this sort of card, I can keep using it for as long as I want. And the same would apply to these ones, which are calendar cards. So I've done the same thing with this one. So this is, I haven't decorated this one, but I can simply write the month at the top and put the days in the squares, again writing on the acetate, and then I can reuse it for whichever months I want, all year really. So that is, let me just move these out of the way. Isn't it, when you want to pick things up quickly, you can, even with my nails. There we go. So that sticks on there. So I can use that as my calendar. I've got my to-do list down here. This one I just decorated, and I've decorated with some of the stickers that come in the pack, and I've used the same, just variable stickers on here. They give you ideas for it. I've done something different myself, but this is the pack of stickers that you get. And you can see I've already used quite a few of them. So there's butterflies and flowers. There's still loads I've got to use. So you can see how I could make all sorts of different pockets and things on here. I could even use these to decorate the background DSP if I want, or even the frame, which I have thought about, certainly with some of these little hearts and tiny flowers. I think I might have some of those around the frame. But then you've got banners, you've got little borders to use, another sets of borders, arrows here, and I'm going to talk about some of those in a minute. I've already chosen that one, as you can see. Again, circles, loads more frames that I can use there that I haven't done. And then there are in each language, so some of them you might not use, but some of them you will, because some of them are very similar to English, so you can actually cheat a bit. For example, what have we got? Gratitude in French, grateful in English, so we could use both of those for English. But again, these are to tear off and make your own cards, thought cards or whatever. This bit at the bottom is lovely. So this is where I got the to-do to put on the top of this to-do list. So I've already, you can use remember, important on the menu one. There's so many of these, you can have a look. So I'll just hold it, hopefully, so you can see those there. So these can all be put on the top of these, on the cards that you use. I've got another little tip though. You saw that I'd already taken off this little arrow. Now what I've done with that, I've not stuck it on anything. I've stuck it on a separate piece of basic white card, and I've added a little magnet. So what that means is that now with my to-do list, if there's something I need to make sure I need to do, say today, and it's number 4 on the list, I can pop my little magnet pointer. I could use a different one. I just liked this one. You can obviously cut a point thing if you want, but that I can now move it up and down and use it to highlight something on the list. So that's my other tip to this. It's magnetic. Anything magnetic will stick. So your fridge magnets, whatever else you want to put on it. So make yourself, the biggest thing for me for the kit, make yourself copies of the template so that you've got the template and can make many other pockets in whatever style or size you want, style or colour you want. Think about using acetate on some of the writable cards so that you can reuse them many times. And think about using magnets on other bits of the kit to make yourself whatever's useful for you. So that's the magnetic board kit. I love it. If you're interested in finding out more, then please do ask me. I can order you a kit. You can buy them directly. Go to my website, craftycarolscards.co.uk. Can't speak this morning. And you can link to the shop there and buy them. See you again soon. Bye for now.